And last section, what will be our strategy and tactical plans to tap these opportunities? I would urge you to look at the customer needs once again. Go back to your article you studied about core competence from Hamel and Prahlad. You must look at the company's available skills and resources, which will be given by the coaches to you in some good context. You have looked at the competition, collaboration, and the context. You are now going to create a strategy, and there is also a structure for strategy. A strategy must address the challenge behind the opportunity. You cannot really write the strategy to pluck those mango fruits if you did not know that there are crocodiles in the river and you were to swim. Or you cannot write the same strategy if there are no crocodiles in the river, but you don't know how to swim. Or the strategy would have been different if you were anyway so luxurious or having huge resources to fly by a helicopter on the other side, then the ball game is different. So your strategy must address the specific challenge behind the opportunity. It should be specific to the opportunity and action oriented, include the desired outcome, and enable clear choices to be made in execution. So be specific, measurable, and don't get misinterpreted. So this is a template where now you are going to list down your growth opportunities, even threats. It is not only that strategy is being made to capture the opportunity. You might not know somebody has taken the carpet beneath you, so you should be aware about the threats as well. And looking at the challenges en route, you are going to now craft your strategy with a clear desired outcome. And finally, I was telling you that we don't know what to keep on adding things in our cache. So you need to know what to eliminate, raise, reduce, and create, and do differently. We call it as ERRCD framework. So while you have done all this study, you need to give advice now, a recommendation to the company, what to eliminate, what to reduce, what to raise, what to create, and what to do differently. This is a very fantastic strategy canvas slide, again adopted from Blue Ocean Strategy. Now you know after this, what are the competing factors? मैदान में जो लड़ाई हो रही है वो किसके आधार पर लड़ी जा रही है? What are the factors on which the war is being fought? And what is the level of offering by you and your competitor and the industry as a whole? This is actually a wonderful tool for building innovation in your plan. You might decide to crash the price altogether and drop all other attributes. And that can be a good disruptive innovation. So this is something which you should read about. I have mentioned the book. Please get hold of this article and try to make a strategy canvas. Why I'm asking is because you must need to think afresh and innovative. This is something that is forcing you to think.